Welcome back Office Executives. In this particular video I will be discussing over DGET function in Excel, which is a stricter version of Vlookup. So in Vlookup, if there is a multiple occurrence of the same value, then the first occurrence column data is being shown to the user, but in DGET if that particular value matches multiple times, then an error would throw. So first of all, this is a table. Let's find it out whether there are any duplicate data or not. So I'll be selecting this name column, and then from conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, duplicate values. Let me give a lighter shade of coloring. So fill maybe a light blue one, or this color, and then hit OK and OK again. Okay, so there is multiple occurrences of Debashish, fine, and also for Saurabh. I am not okay. Yeah, there are Saurabh appears twice. Now let's go for the VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP. How it's simple. So VLOOKUP is the lookup value. So the lookup value is for Debashish, fine, and the table array. So the table array is this selection. Also in VLOOKUP we need to keep in mind that the selection table's first column is the column over which the lookup value is being is being tallied about, is being compared upon, comma, and the column index number may be the total. So the total is in fourth column. So I'll be writing 4 comma 0 bracket braces close, enter. So it's showing 14045, the first occurrences. If I change the name from Devashish to maybe Manosh, then it would be showing the second value 13250. But that's not the scenario with DGET. So equal to DGET. So for DGET, as just like dsum, I need another helper column in which the name would be given. So the name is maybe Sneha. Yeah, Sneha is there multiple times. Sneha, fine. So let me center align the text, fine. So what we will be doing is that we will be using equal to DGET and the database. So database is whole of this one, fine. So the field over which the summation is to be found, the field which, if the dsum was for the column name over which addition was being performed, and here the field means if the criteria matches, then which field value is to be pulled from the database. So I want to pull the total column database field data, and the criteria is these two, name and Sneha, and see it will throw some error now. So this is a strict VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP works on multiple matches, but if in use DGET, and if the result doesn't come out, you would be sure that there is a duplicate data. So now if I change the name from Sneha to some data which appears only once in the table, maybe Priya, see it's showing 7685, here it is Priya 7685. So it, according to the necessity, you can use, according to the condition, you can use alternatively whether to use VLOOKUP or whether to use DGET. So if you are concerned with finding a stricter VLOOKUP, that is there the duplicate data's value won't be shown, some error would be thrown, then definitely use DGET. While VLOOKUP is if there are multiple matches for the criteria, the first occurrence of the match would be shown. That's all for this video tutorial over strict VLOOKUP. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.